So this week, the chapter was about the water planet, and I learned a lot about the Big Bang Theory, which I never really learned about in school, so that was really interesting to learn about kind of how the Earth was created. I also learned that the Milky Way galaxy started as a rotating cloud of gas, which I thought that was pretty interesting too, because it's kind of weird that a cloud of gas can turn into something that we're a part of, turn into a planet that we live in. So that was pretty cool. Something I found really interesting was that the Earth's surface is actually smooth, which I wouldn't have guessed that because of, the ground in general isn't really that smooth. Like, there's rocks and valleys and hills and that kind of stuff, so I thought that was kind of interesting. I guess it never occurred to me that the Earth's orbit was actually the distance the Earth is from the sun. I just thought it was like how long it took the Earth to move around the sun. I didn't really know that it had anything to do with the distance it was from the sun. Another thing I thought was really interesting was that the Earth isn't actually round. It's kind of more of an oval shape. I thought that was pretty interesting. Another thing I thought was really interesting was just all the different things the Earth does to protect itself. Like rotation, for example, that was established to protect it from the temperature changes, and I thought that was really interesting. The three questions I have are, I guess the first one is, how did the first person decide to wonder why is this water, where did the water come from, I guess I just wouldn't really have thought to question that. I'd be like, cool, water. I don't think I would have really known to question why it was here. The second question I have is about the water reservoirs. I guess I don't know why it matters how long the water is in each reservoir. So I'd like to know why that's important. And my last question is, why does the longitude and latitude lines, why do they not, I know they have to do with time, but why don't they match up exactly? What is keeping it from being exactly on that time frame? So those are the questions I have. I don't really know if some of them can even be answered, but I'm looking forward to find out if they can be. So, yeah.